أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال
A great man, a man of luminaries, intelligence and intellect with an amazing capacity to pierce through a problem to its cause. The word luminous is perhaps the best word I can use about his mind. This is how Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru described Maulana Azad. Maulana Azad was a strong campaigner of peace and a vociferous freedom fighter. He used the power of his writings and public orations to create a national awakening among the masses. The analogy and juxtaposition of Swaraj and intercommunal harmony that Maulana Azad emphasized then is equally pertinent today. Born on November 11, 1888, in a deeply orthodox Muslim family, Maulana Azad had his initial formal education in Arabic, Persian and Urdu with theological orientation. He also learnt English on his own. Due to his natural inclination for writing, he published several weeklies including Al-Misbah, Al-Hilal, Al-Balagh and Paigam. Maulana Azad was in the forefront of all the major movements for the independence like the Khilafat movement, the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement. After India became independent in 1947, Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inducted Maulana Azad as Education Minister in his cabinet. Under Maulana Azad's tenure, a number of measures were undertaken to promote primary and secondary education, scientific education, establishment of universities and promotion of avenues of research and higher studies. On February 22, 1958, Maulana Azad passed away. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1992. The Government of India celebrates the birth anniversary of Maulana Azad on November 11 every year as Education Day. It can be described as fitting tribute by the nation to a person who had unchallenged credentials as a freedom fighter, revolutionary journalist, social reformer, champion of communal harmony and an unparalleled education minister. Jai